In this video, I will show you how to open a file in Photoshop, create a new file, and save files. You have already seen how we can open a picture in Lecture 2. To reiterate, go to File, Open, and select your photo. Now, let's say I make some changes to this photo and I want to save it after. To save this image, simply press File, Save As, and type the name you want the file to have, as well as the type you want to save it as. If you want to save it as an image file, you can choose JPEG, PNG, or any of these other options. Let's save this image in JPEG format, and let me choose a quality of 10. I will discuss more about the different types of format and their settings in section 8 of this course, when your Photoshop skills are more advanced and you're more likely to use these settings. After saving, you will be able to open the image on your computer. However, if you're editing in Photoshop and you may want to still continue editing next time, you should save it as a Photoshop document with the PSD format so that you can open this same page the next time with different layers and other settings still editable. For example, if I want to delete this text layer, I can still do so. But an image file will not have this option, as it is the final output. This is the same as if you were to export your PowerPoint or Word document as a PDF. You cannot make changes to them easily. To save your work as a Photoshop file, simply select the Photoshop option here. You'll see that the extension is in the PSD format. The large document format here means the same as a Photoshop document, but it is meant for larger file sizes that are a few gigabytes in size. For small documents, simply save them as Photoshop. To create a new document, select File, New. If you are using earlier versions of Photoshop, such as CS6 and before, your screen may be slightly different, but the settings are still the same. You can select a desired width, height, and resolution. The settings on top provides a preset width and height to choose from. For now, I will just create a custom size of 2000 by 2000 with 72 pixels per inch and click Create. As you can see, a new canvas will appear. You can now do what you want with this canvas, such as add a photo or add text. Once you are satisfied, you can save this document. Lastly, you can toggle between different images or documents that you've opened at the top corner over here. So, you'll be able to open multiple images and toggle between them easily.